Hi, my name is Erich Fassbinder. I just recently joined Technical Associates. A little bit about my background. I went to college in St. Louis, Missouri, to a technical college called Rankin, and I got my associate's degree in industrial technology there. Out of school, I went to work for a fabrication place, and I did manual machining, welding, general fabrication, millwright work. That was the bread and butter of my experience there. The big product that we would make at that facility was industrial size washers and dryers, kind of talking circus tent size stuff, so big diameters, big lengths. So it was a neat place to work for, a little mom and pop shop. From there I started working for a company called Cogent, and I got into the water and wastewater industry there. That was my first kind of gig there, doing field work. Did a lot of pump installations, a lot of pump removals, retrofitting, water lift stations, sewer lift stations, miscellaneous kind of work like that. I wore a number of different hats for them. Did electrical type work as well. But from there I graduated from the water and wastewater side of it to the industrial side, and got into doing the predictive maintenance type work, the vibration analysis, the laser alignments, balancing, thermography, ultrasound, all the fun stuff. And I did that for a number of years for them, mainly using CSI equipment. From there I had the opportunity to run my own show. Went to work for a nuclear medicine manufacturing facility, and I headed their PDM program, really championing the program and taking care of all of their needs when it came to all the predictive maintenances. And then from there, the opportunity at TA came up, and they're kind of a company I always kept tabs on, and if ever an opportunity came up where I could go to work for them, I said I'd go for it, and here I am. So since coming on at TA, it hasn't been long now. This is my fourth week here, so I'm still pretty fresh. So I'm still in the training phase, kind of learning all their ins and outs at the office here, how they do their report styles, how they take care of their customers. There's a lot of opportunities for me here, and I'm real excited about it. It's kind of an open page, open book right now. I'm sure I'm going to be utilizing a number of ways, whether it comes to doing diagnostics for them, helping with seminar applications, running those. And I'm really looking forward to being here for a long time. And hopefully I'll be at your place soon to help you out too.